If you want to become a software engineer, DevOps engineer, or tech professional, you must understand this one thing. SDLC. Every software you use today, like Instagram, banking apps, Amazon, or any startup product, is built using software development lifecycle. Let's understand it in 6 simple stages. What is software development lifecycle? Stage 1, Requirement Gathering. This is where everything begins. Clients or stakeholders explain what problem they want to solve. For example, a company may say, we want an app where users can order milk every morning. Engineers listen carefully, analyze the requirements, and document everything. If the requirement is wrong, the entire project can fail. Stage 2, Planning. Now the team plans the project. They decide how many developers are needed, how much time the project will take, how much budget is required, and what technologies will be used. This stage decides whether the project is feasible or not. Stage 3, Design. Now architects and senior engineers design the system. They decide how the database will look like, how the backend will work, how APIs communicate, how the frontend interacts. This blueprint is called system architecture. A strong design prevents future problems. Stage 4, Development. This is where developers start write coding. Front-end engineers build the user interface. Back-end engineers build APIs and business logic. This is the longest phase of SDLC. Code is written, reviewed, and integrated continuously. Stage 5, Testing. Before releasing software to users, testers check everything. They find bugs, security issues, performance problems. Once the testing ensures the product is stable, secure, and reliable. Here, product means application. Stage 6, Deployment and Maintenance. Finally, the software goes live. DevOps engineers deploy application to cloud servers. But the work does not stop here. Developers continuously fix bugs, add new features, and improve performance. This process is called maintenance. So remember this simple flow: requirement, planning, design, development, testing, finally deployment. That is the software development lifecycle. Every big tech company follows this process to build reliable software. If you want to more DevOps, AI, and software engineering content, follow this channel.